This thermostat works fine.
Okay.
He works fine up here. The upstairs level, the thermostat wasn't working.
Okay.
2 weeks ago, we had somebody come out. He'd like take it apart, try to put it back together. Couldn't figure it out. So he thinks it's a problem with the actual like controller system or something like that.
Okay.
And now we pretty much have no functionality up there.
Okay, so he had it on off. We'll put it on heat. But I ain't even put screws in here. I just put one screw. Hit this light. Go on. Let's try. So heat, put it on heat mode. So I got 24 volts, but I do not have a call yet. Let me make sure these heat strips work. Okay, got 24 volts at the heat strip. Got 21 amps, so the heat strips are working, but we're not getting a call for them. Not getting a call for them. Let's see if we're getting a call now at the condenser, but it is a heat pump. No. No. He said something about that thermostat. Let me go put it on test mode. So when I put it on heat, nothing happens. I don't get no voltage up there. Let's put it on cool and see what it does. Okay, so I hear the unit running. It's running in heat mode. Yeah, it's running in heat mode. So something's going on. I just went and got this off the truck just in case, but I really don't think it's I think they, I'm gonna ask them if somebody replaced that thermostat and they probably programmed it wrong. Hey buddy, excuse me, I'm sorry. Did you said somebody already had came out here before?
Yeah, somebody.
I'm sorry. Somebody had came out here before?
Yeah, I don't know if he went up in that room though. I wasn't here. I was at the office and my buddy was here home.
Okay, and they changed something? Did they change that thermostat?
What I was told is that he pulled the thermostat off thinking he could get a new one and went to Home Depot and came back and then that still didn't fix the problem.
So he did put a new one on there?
Yeah, that's a new thermostat from the one that we have.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I think.
Okay, let me check if he set it up right then. Cause I already put it on heat and cool and it's not working. Okay, cool. All right, let me check. Thank you for that info.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
I only got one stage of heat. Y2, W2. So let me go through the setup. He said they changed it. Conventional. Okay, so he messed up. He didn't put heat pump. Air to air. OB on cool. Compressor stages. That's for the fan. Okay, that's for the heat kit, and that's for the outdoor unit. So the outdoor unit is running. Probably got a delay. Probably got a delay. So he does have Y2 connected up here, so it is a 2-stage compressor. You got voltage to it now. Okay. So, okay, let's check if we're getting our reversing valve energized, which we shouldn't, and we're not. So that's good.
Like dirt is coming out.
Okay.
I don't know if these are what you change or where you change it.
I think that's okay. So we gotta take a look at those filters up there. Her complaint was just that she couldn't change the filters. Oh, let's see, F. Her complaint was that the supply vents look dirty and the return vents look dirty, and the filters. So here's the shortest ladder I got right now. This 32. I have a 24, I think, or 28. But I was using it at the house, and I didn't get it back. But I wish I would have brought it if I would have known. It's way lighter than this one. All right, so this is F. This is the filter. Let me see. These are probably no bigger filters that I don't really carry. Yeah, 20 by 25. We'll just have to go get these. Get that coil. So there's an Ari Michael 10 minutes away, so we just gonna go pick them up real quick. All right, we back with these filters. Let's get them changed out. We're not really doing the maintenance on this. This ain't really a maintenance. So we ain't really, I'm tripping. So we ain't really gotta clean this. Quote or nothing crazy like that. But yeah, I'll show y'all what the NTE, I guess they're renting this property too. Guess this shopping center is being managed by that property management company. All right, that's it on this one. I'll show you guys the work order, so y'all won't be like, oh, he ain't doing maintenance. He ain't doing complete maintenance. It says vents, air filters extremely dirty, not to exceed. I checked the thermostat, and it satisfies. Okay guys, so we here. At this call, we got approval to change out that high voltage disconnect box. I went ahead and recommended to change out that box because I didn't trust that breaker to fit in there perfectly, so we got a square D box, and we'll change that out now. Okay, so this the box. We're gonna test it, make sure I ain't getting any voltage. Okay, we should be good. So when you had the issue upstairs, when you had that issue, you just noticed it down here, not upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Only down here.
All right. So let's see. She got a air handler. She don't even have a gas furnace. It's funny how she keep insisting on the stove. I should be calling. She said she didn't have an issue upstairs. Whenever that issue occurred, she said it was downstairs where she noticed it, not upstairs. That upstairs works fine. So I'm thinking probably our motor, our damper motor ain't opening up. Let's see. RDC got 24 volts. R to C, we got 24 volts. Why isn't our unit not running? I just turned it on. Okay, so let's see. Okay, there go the dampers. The damper is open. Let's see, this one look. It might be on a delay, that damn thermostat. Let me check.
See, it ain't came on yet. When you gonna cut on the stove and see if it'll come on?
Nah, not yet, not yet. That way I can troubleshoot it. I might have to change out this thermostat because might be the issue, but we just got to give it some time.
Oh, it got batteries in here?
Yeah, you got batteries in here, but
Oh, it worked well.
oh, be.
Cut the light on.
No, you good. I got a flashlight. Thank you. So, you got this jumper wire here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this R. Sorry, I had turned it off. Alright. Okay. So we got the call now. Damper is opening. Go ahead and take my tool bag down there so I can get a thermostat. Well, where's that by? I heard of Cleveland Avenue.
East Point.
East Point, oh, okay, yeah.
That little rough over there.
Yeah, East Point, yeah. Over there by College Park. Yeah, that's a little bit more south. Somebody even, okay, so I'm gonna test the heat now.
Get some antibiotics, 'cause it's my son.